Good day everyone. If you're trying to connect your Cash App account to a budgeting or financial app using Plaid, searching for Cash App directly usually fails because it doesn't use standard online banking logins. So let us go through this. Okay, so firstly we need to grab your virtual routing and account details inside Cash App. So just open Cash App on your phone and tap the Money tab in the bottom left corner. Tap on your balance and select Account Details. Right below it, and here you'll see your official routing number and account number provided by Cash App's underlying partner bank, usually Sutan Bank. Copy both numbers or just write them down as you'll need them for the Plaid portal. Next, we need to enter these details into Plaid step by step. So just open the third-party app you want to link and trigger the Plaid connection screen. Instead of typing Cash App into the search bar, type Sutan Bank or select link with account numbers at the bottom of the list. When prompted, paste in your Cash App routing number and then continue. Next, enter your Cash App account number. Double check the digits for accuracy and hit submit. And then Plaid will send you a tiny test deposit, usually 1 penny, to your Cash App account with 1 to 2 business days. So after that, you should be good to go and you can connect. Enjoy.